What does it mean? Let's start this video. Welcome to NMIGT Entertainment, and I am Joel, and welcome to another vlog. Today's going to be one about, well, you kind of saw it at the beginning, but let me come out here real quick. We are still selling Shadow. Shadow is still for sale. And then we may end up getting rid of either the Red Expedition or the Blue Explorer. Now let me tell you why. We keep those cars. I mean, I usually drive the Red Expedition a whole lot, so I keep the miles off my car and stuff. The Blue Explorer used to be Brandon's, and it doesn't get used that much. It has a broken shock, which, that reminds me, I'm going to do a repair on the truck. Hold on real fast. Let me show you something. Hold on. Okay. We're going to do a repair on the truck. We did this side already. The, I guess they call it the quit strut, so you can't really see it. But this one we replaced on this side. Come to find out, the one on this side over here is broken. I think the covers are all there. Yeah, this one's broken on this side. So when you drive down the road with the truck, the steering wheel stays straight, but your truck goes. So it's a little adventurous. So if y'all want to see that being repaired, let me know, and I can make a quick video on that. I think I'm going to do that this weekend. But like I said, we are in the midst of her car almost being paid off. So of course, when you pay off a vehicle, let me flip this around, hold on real quick. Okay, sorry about that. So, you know, once you pay off a vehicle, you start wanting a new vehicle, even though that your vehicle that you have is still good. So for the most part, that just sits there. We drive it, we keep it around for the winter. The winters here in Virginia aren't that bad. So we might get snow for maybe a week out of the whole year. Something that accumulates, you know. And then, you know, we work different shifts, so, you know, I need one and she needs the other. So that might be replaced by a Jeep Wrangler. I have till, let's see, December, and then her car is going to be paid off. And then after that, it's game on. So, you know, sometimes it's better to go into another payment because you're used to making payments. I kind of want to wait a few months before. Let them work out some of the bugs with the new motor, because the Jeeps have the new 4-cylinder turbo that people are talking good about, and then you have the V6. So, but anyway, so that is in the talks. So what do y'all think about that? The color that she wants is bikini. It's called bikini. And what it is, it's a teal turquoise type color. I'll show you a picture of it here in a moment. But she wants the Sahara. She doesn't want the Rubicon, because Rubicon's more for off-roading and it comes with a little more stuff that we don't really need. So if any of y'all are Jeep owners also, hit me up in the DM and give me some info on some Jeeps, because it's kind of new to me. Like I said, it's what we're going to get into at some point, I think. I think she's got her heart set on it, but she hasn't driven one yet, so I don't know. After she drives one, she might change her mind, but we'll have to see, because we don't need the Expeditions and stuff like that. And like I said, if I could sell Shadow, which there was a price reduction, so go check her out on my marketplace. If I can get her sold, that would expedite things a little bit for her. But like I said, I'm not too much in a hurry. But like I said, it's something that's coming down the pipe, and you know, always changing and rearranging, I guess. But like I said, the whole deal with it is, you know, she wants something different. She still wants a 4-wheel drive, so, you know, we do the winter stuff. And then you could get away from some of the Mustang things. Sometimes you could do the Jeep stuff, beach stuff. You know, there's a whole different stigma with a Jeep, you know, so. But anyway, you know, that's where we're going to find out with that. But let me get to another subject I want to get to. And of course, I got to give y'all a quick little view of Electric here. So, Electra, I don't know if I just said Electric or Electra, but yep, she's sitting in there. And she may come out and play this weekend. I don't know. And of course, we have Shadow looking well as always. But let me go ahead and step inside, and then we'll talk about the other thing I need to talk about. Alright guys, this is on my computer screen, and I know that it's not probably the best picture, but that's kind of what she wants right there. It is the bikini, the Freedom top with the teal, which is called Bikini, and I'm not lying to y'all. It's right there, Bikini Pearl Clear Coat. So, and this is what kind of how it's gonna look. And of course, you know, if you own a Jeep, you're gonna have to get bigger tires and stuff. So I'm sure that's gonna be it. Picture of it with the top off. So yeah, it comes with a new roll bar and stuff. I guess new for this year, how they did the body redesign. So yeah, that's what she's in love with at the moment. So we're gonna probably get her that at some point if it all works out. Like I said, it always works out for her. So we'll that'll probably be later on something we do. So hold on real quick. So with that being said, would y'all like to see, if that comes about, some Jeep content? I know this has been mainly a Mustang page or whatever, but I want to broaden my horizons a little bit. You know, I don't want to stick to the status quo. I want to do little different things here and there. If it's something that y'all aren't interested, just hit me in the comments and just let me know. But I just want to add a little different, little flavor to it, and she seems to be real excited about it. Maybe I get her to start a channel on it and teach her how to do some of this stuff. She might be better than me at it. Who knows? But yeah, so just go ahead and comment below and let me know what y'all think, and we'll be right back. Alright, and the last thing on this video I wanted to do is congratulate my buddy Derek Barron. He has hit over 100,000 subscribers as of yesterday. Let me look up and see what he's really at right now. Hold on. Alright guys, yeah, he's at 100,147 subscribers at the moment. And like I said, he's been doing his thing. He's been grinding. He's got good work ethic with it, and in 3 years he got over 100,000 subscribers. So you know, you can't shake a stick at that. And we've been with him for a while, since he at least started the automotive stuff. I know he had other stuff before this, but like I said, he did one of our first Mustang videos 3 years ago. So the family of Mustangs, I think, or something like that. So, well, you know, we've been friends ever since. So I just wanted to congratulate him on that. Give him a follow if you don't follow him. I'm sure you do. But if not, and go check out his stuff. He does great work. And like I said, it's a young man's game, and he's taking it by the horns and rolling with it. So again, congratulations, Derek. You deserve all that you get. So I want to close out this video here in 1 second, so just give me 1 minute. Alright everybody, that's pretty much the gist of this video. Like I said, still selling Shadow, maybe getting rid of an Expedition or Explorer, maybe replacing it with a Jeep. Comment below, let me know what y'all think. If y'all are Jeep people, hit me up, give me some insight on it, what I'm looking for. She's doing some shopping, but you know, sometimes it's better with people that own it. You get a better insight on it. Congratulations, Derek, again. And remember, into my GT family, thanks for hanging with me, watching my videos, and supporting my friends and everything that y'all do for us. So remember, y'all are the best part of my videos, and we'll catch you on the next one. Okay? Peace.